This is another guitar tutorial from Greyhounds again. The song is Shoot to Kill. So, let's go. Okay, for the tuning, this is B standard again. It's B, E, A, D, F sharp, and then B. For our first riff, this is the intro part. So I play like this. So yung chord note niya would be E, so it's 4 times, tapos D4 and then D5 3 times. So ulit. Then next would be our second riff. Okay, for our second riff, I play like this. The next note would be yung chorus na. Okay, dun sa second riff, yung playing chord niya would be it's E open and then E3, which is G, E3, E2, A5, tapos E7, E8. That's the playing chord. So, slow. By the way, I'm playing single note lang ha. So, para pa isa lang. That's the last part ng E. So, bababa ka ngayon sa A. So, slow dun sa pinakauna. Bababa ka sa A7. So, yung chord note sa A part is A7, A10, A9, A12, A14, and then A15. So, from the start. Dun sa second part, bale, same pattern. Instead na mag A7 ka, we'll be playing A9 na. So, ulit. Sa A9 ka na. So, A9, tapos bababa ka sa D7, D9, D10. So, slow. tapos D12, D10, and then yung may harmonics dun it's G11. Okay, for our third riff, ito na yung chorus part niya. So, I play like this. So, yung playing chord niya would be E, then G, it's E3, E3, E2, saka E5. So ulit. Sa pangalawa, magpipinch harmonic ka doon. So, yung playing chord would be ito. It's D5, D4, tapos G5. Parang ganito. Okay, for the second verse and then chorus, it's the same pattern lang sila. Tapos pagkatapos nun, after that, this is our fourth riff. I play like this. Yung playing chord niya is G octave, naka-octave na tayo rito. So, G octave. And then, sa E octave. It's A10, and then A7. Pero naka-octave siya. And then, the second part would be A12, and then A7. So, parang ganito. So, it's 4 times. It's 4 times. Tapos dun sa pang 4th time niya, hindi ka na mag-i-E. Dito ka na diretso sa so ulitin natin. bali 3 times. Tapos next would be dito na sa F sharp. Sa F sharp, bend mo lang ng konti, 2 times. Tapos twice na E5. So ulit. Next would be E2, tataas ka ng E5. Ulit. Okay, for our 5th guitar riff, I play like this. So, babalik ka na dun sa verse na riff part. So, last part na yon, and then after nun, chorus, tapos going na sa ending part. Okay, so, dito na tayo sa guitar riff 5. So, yung chord note niya would be E, then A, single note na A, tapos F sharp. Ulit. Open, F sharp, open, A, open, F sharp, open, bagsakan sa E5. And then yung mabilisan dito, I play like this. So, D5, pero nakamute ako sa 4th string. Okay, for this part na yung mabilis, yung kagaya ganito. So, playing chord niya is, this one is D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, A3, A2, E3, E2, tapos open. Pero dito sa D part na to, may open siya na D. So, parang ganito. And then I'm using my palm to chug the 4th string. Gets? So it's open, 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 open. Tapos dito, wala nang open, diretso ka na pataas. So from A3 going to A2, tapos E3 going to E2, open. Dun sa last part na, bali E5 lang doon. So I think it's 8 times. Tapos slide. Tapos Tapos chorus na. This is the last chorus. Twice lang. So, bale, twice na i-play yun, yung mabilis. So, yun na yung ending part mo. Okay, so that's it. So, that's my guitar tutorial for Shoot to Kill. Thank you for watching again my tutorial, and then see you next time, guys. Hindi ko pa nagawa yung sa Chico so maybe sa this coming Friday or Thursday, depende sa workload. Yun lang. So thank you very much for watching again my tutorial, and then see you next time, guys. Thank you. And then please do follow me sa Facebook yung Jongski, Jong TV 360 sa YouTube naman. Salamat, thank you.